Good morning, everyone. This is how we pack the car. We got this big stroller, a bag, a backpack. The stroller goes in here. You will see that this is a bit off so that the stroller can fit properly. Then we have Yael's seat. In here we have Yael's bag, some food, some toys, the car seat, and in front we have the stroller and the cooler right here, and that's it. You can fit a lot of stuff in a Justy, although it's pretty small. This is how the trunk looks like packed in. You can see the stroller fits perfectly in here. Have the backpack over there, this bag, and a seat over here. Goes perfectly. And the boo-boo is the car. And this is the location, Villa Oliver. Unfortunately, the cat is not here anymore, but she did wake us up at 6 a.m. So she's exactly like Dove, because he always starts meowing in the morning and he wants us to go get him food. So we experience the same thing as home, I guess. But now we're setting off for the day towards Slovenia. So we're off. We're also waiting for our family. They're coming too. We just met them. So they are Jules's parents and brother with his wife. So now we're gonna go together. Pretty nice location. We came to Aldi to get some stuff. We don't have Aldi in Slovenia, so that's why we're going to Aldi. We got some veggie stuff and everything fits in this Justy. So behind the big luggage there's a triangle of space right there where you can put a lot of stuff because of the seats. So yeah, that's the space that I'm using, although all this needs to go in the cooler. Also, I saw this Forester rusted out. That rust on the rear. We just got back on the highway. This is M76. I think we're heading towards M7, but I'm not sure. Anyway, we're heading towards Slovenia. It's a bit windy today. We're being pushed around a little bit on the highway. That's the disadvantage. You got a small and light car. Not sure if you can see, but yeah. You will see the wind indicator in a few moments. Yeah, this one's not working, I guess. There's one on the other side. And we can feel the wind a lot. You can also see it on the trees. But at least the traffic is light. Right now we're taking M70 towards Ljubljana. A lot of road works. So we just entered Slovenia from Hungary. This was there. And we need to buy a vignette. Yeah, I was sleeping, but of course she just woke up because we stopped. So we're gonna take a break. It's really windy up here. I don't know why these people are standing in a line here, but we're gonna get inside and get a vignette. We're heading into our first tunnel. This is in Slovenia. Looks pretty serious, but we're coming at a standstill. Hopefully it won't be too long, and hopefully nothing really serious happened. It seems it's just some garbage disposal thing. At least it's not a car or anything worse than that. Some fire trucks are just arriving at the scene. One just passed us, and there's one more coming. The scenery is beginning to change. We can see some really nice mountains in front of us. Right there, there's some mountains. And also the speed limit has increased to 130. Just went past Ljubljana, and these are the mountains that we can see right now. We stopped for a quick refuel. Although we're almost there, but I'm not gonna risk it. I'm down to 2 lines. So cleaning the windshield a little bit. So it seems it took 29.44 liters. So this is a 42 tank. So yeah, we were pretty close to low. Last fill up we had 6.64, I think, fuel consumption. Right now it was showing 6.4 or something like that. We'll see how much it is when we calculate it. So it seems that the fuel consumption was 626 liters per 100 kilometers. So that was better than what the car was showing us. We just arrived here at Forest. That's the name of this Airbnb. It's on a nice small road. That's at the end of a few houses, and it's right next to this forest. And here, this is the house, forest, and let me show you the view behind the house. This is really, really cool. So I really love the view and of seeing the mountains and the snow. Also, being next to the forest, you can hear birds. The host told us that in the morning we can see deer and different other, I guess, wild animals that come this way. And he also told us that there's some restaurant if you go through the woods and to the left, and there's gonna be a river and a bridge that you have to go over, and then there should be some restaurant over there. But this is really, really nice. This is how the road looks like. And the trusty Justy, it got us all the way here. It's not super cold. I'm just okay in a t-shirt, we'll see how the weather changes in the morning, and yeah, we'll let you know what else we will do. So if you want to get in the house, you have to go look at this view and then go on these steps, and you enter. This is the kitchen area, really nice kitchen, looks pretty good. Fridge, and then there's a dining area, and up there you go upstairs, there's a balcony. Over here, some nice glasses, cups, stuff like that, and the 2 bedrooms. And then here is the hallway and the bathroom. This is how the upstairs looks like. We got some projector here, you can watch stuff on the wall. There's also a TV, the view on that side, and this is where we're gonna sleep. We got some games, some chess. The beds, they are usually 1 bed on this side, 1 on the other side, with this office area in between. We asked the host and it's okay to put the beds together. Also, there's some more games, I guess board games in here. And yeah, this upstairs is really cozy. It's really cozy, and you can see the view out the window. So we came to see where the ski jumping takes place, but they say it's not allowed to go by car. This is how this place looks like. There's a small lake over there, and you can see the sun setting. And these are the mountains. So this is how the ramps look like. This is probably not the official one. That one should be the official one, the last one. And someone should sleep, but she doesn't want to sleep. Here are some small ramps, bigger ones, and that's the official one. So after we visited the jumping center, I don't know what the name of the place is, but we left from there after a long walk. It was like 20 minutes uphill and then 20 minutes coming down, and with the stroller we tried to get Yael to sleep. She didn't want to sleep when we went up, but when we went down she fell asleep, so that was good. Then we put her in the car while sleeping. That was, I think, a first. Usually she wakes up when she's moved. And we went to a store called Mercator, something like that. We bought some stuff, and then we came home. We played some games, listened to some music, and now we're preparing to go to sleep. So this is our first day in Slovenia, and see you tomorrow.